The Sony SRS XB10 is a great wireless speaker that lets you enjoy extra bass sound wherever you go in an ultra-portable design. Feel the power of extra bass. With our innovative extra bass technology, you and your friends can enjoy pounding beats and powerful low end, particularly when listening to electronic dance music. Feel the deep, intense power of extra bass wherever you are, and give your club favorites the sound they deserve. With a super small footprint and a convenient grab-and-go design, this is an ultra-portable wireless speaker that can travel with you anywhere. It's water-resistant up to IPX level 5, so there's no need to worry if someone spills a drink or it starts raining. For even more sound impact, this comes with a speaker add function, which lets you connect an additional speaker for double the volume. Once connected, you can choose stereo mode for immersive stereo sound quality, or double mode if you want to enjoy exactly the same sound from both speakers. Never be without powerful extra bass sound thanks to the Sony SRS XB10 wireless speaker.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available in many office supply stores and Amazon.com. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Capture version 3 is really at its heart a very simple product. This generation was all about distilling it down to its core functions and executing those in the simplest, cleanest, most beautiful way possible.
This is Capture V3. It's a clip that clamps to any belt, strap, or bag and rigidly carries cameras, lenses, and more. Now in its 3rd generation, Capture looks, feels, and works better than ever before.
Customers want to use Capture on their backpack or belt all day. So for version 3, we optimized the design, cut the fat, and made it as smooth and sleek as possible for everyday carry.
V3 is substantially lower profile, narrower, and lighter than its predecessors. With recessed bolt heads and gently rounded corners, Capture is small and comfortable enough for temporary or semi-permanent installation.
Before joining Peak Design, I spent almost 7 years at Apple in aluminum machining and anodizing process development, and I was really thrilled to bring that experience here to the design of our all-metal Capture version 3.
Machined from a solid block of aluminum, Capture's chassis and backplate are anodized for a smooth, strong finish. Combined with an aluminum quick-release button and stainless steel locking pin, Capture V3 is stronger, more durable, and smoother operating.
Capture is absolutely used by pros, and they carry expensive, heavy rigs, so strength was a prime consideration, and I'm proud to say that we made version 3 stronger than any Capture before it.
An embedded pad in Capture's backplate creates superior grip on all surfaces. For extended use and heavy glass, we've completely redesigned ProPad to offer more comfort and stability in a smaller package.
Capture is a tool, but it's also designed to look good. With our new anodization process, we're now able to offer it in black and in silver so that it'll look great on any bag or belt you own for years to come.
Like our straps and bags, Capture is now available in 2 colors, matte black or silver. Capture V3, our most low-profile, comfortable, durable, and beautiful camera clip yet, by Peak Design.
That's freaking crazy. That's like the coolest thing ever. It's like freaking Harry Potter.
That's right.